What is the identity of this object that looks old and worn? When I checked the production nameplate, it was a washing machine manufactured in October 1987 by Ahon LGIO Electronics. The washing machine, which has been working for 33 years, is in a state where power has not been turned on since a few days ago. The washing function and the spin-dry function are separated, and the drain valve is also opened and closed mechanically. Open the top cover and back panel to find the cause of the failure. There are short circuits due to moisture. The cause of the failure is that corrosion has occurred on the junction parts. Fortunately, I can fix the problem easily.